Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spotting video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to grow alocasias from cuttings. So let's jump right into this video. So we are going to go ahead and mainly focus on this one right here because it has absolutely no roots and the other ones did. So I potted the other ones up already. So we're going to focus on the actual cutting. So as you guys can see here, we have a very big stem right here that we could work with, but this won't be able to fit in an entire pot that I have. And if I do decide to plant it with this full stem that I cut it off, it will tend to want to bend down and tumble over. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this from half right here so we could go ahead and have a little bit more space to work with. And so yeah, so let me go ahead and do that. So I would recommend, when it comes to choosing your cuttings for your alocasia, choose the ones that have the sturdier, bigger stems, because these will be the ones that are the most to be rooted. So let's go ahead and cut this in half. So here's the alocasia. I went ahead and I cut it in half like I said, but you want to make sure you have some of these like growth points right here, or these like little nudges right here, because this is where the roots are going to come out of. So make sure you have a couple of those so you can have a sturdy plant. But something else I did want to show you guys is this. This is the piece that I took off, and you can actually plant this if you'd like and actually have other growth points here. So if you want to have more plants, you can go ahead and totally use this as another alternative for more plants. So I wanted to let you guys know about this one. So here I have my pot, here I have my alocasia, and I have my soil. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the pot with some soil. So I filled it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just like shove this thing down in here. And there it is, potted up and ready to grow. So now there it is, potted up and ready to go ahead and develop roots. So here's a quick growing guide on what to do with your alocasia cuttings. Number one is you want to prevent watering for 1 to 2 days to make sure that that wound callus is over and prevents watering. Number two is that after that time period, you want to water at least 1 time every day, so water could go ahead and stay in touch with those root connections and go ahead and start rooting out and developing a healthy root system. Number three is you want to go ahead and keep it in partial shade. I know these plants are full sun loving plants, but in the time being of it going ahead and going through this process, you want to protect it from any harsh sun. So make sure to keep it protected in partial shade so it can go ahead and start developing nicely instead of like getting burned and everything. Number four is once you start noticing root development, you can go ahead and fertilize it with a liquid fertilizer so it could get even sturdier and stronger and get even better leaves as the time goes by. So while this is happening, and if you have a plant that's flowering, I would recommend removing all flower buds and everything so it can focus on the root system more instead of keeping those flowers and those leaves alive. So make sure you go ahead and do those following steps to have full-on success on your alocasia cutting. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. So that's gonna be it for this exciting spotting video, you guys. That's your quick video on how to grow alocasias from cuttings. I love alocasias. They are so pretty. They come in a wide range of varieties, leaf shapes, colors, growth points. It is an amazing plant to grow and very low maintenance as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to support the Ultimate Gardening channel. And please leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this video, as well as any video suggestions you would like me to do. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family. And never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.